How to create group chat on Snapchat. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Snapchat app easily. So all what you have to do is simple, just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go down and go to the chat option down here. Click on chat, and right here you will find your chats and your friends. But all what you have to do to create a new group is by going here, click on this little option, and now choose new group right here, new group, and add people, for example Jacob or any names here. And after you finish, your group will be added, and here you can change the name of the group, for example Jacob group, like this. And yeah, that's it, and it's very easy. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe.